Have you been searching for the perfect sedan with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2020 Tesla Model 3 Performance in pearl white. With HID headlamps, front fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, LED tail lamps, trunk spoiler, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 29,000 miles on the odometer, 15-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, heated rear seats, dual pane panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 271 horsepower electric motor, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D6314A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.